I visited Madame Tussauds Singapore, expecting to see famous wax figures, but nature had a wonderful surprise in store for me. While waiting outside in the park, I suddenly noticed movement among the greenery. To my amazement, a group of majestic peacocks gracefully roamed freely, completely unconfined, adding a vibrant slice of life to the scene. In that unforgettable moment, as one peacock confidently approached, I reached out and gently offered my hand. For the very first time in my life, I was face to face with our national bird, its vivid feathers glowing in the natural light and its calm demeanor filling me with wonder. As the peacock nibbled the offered food, I felt an extraordinary connection with nature, a rare encounter that made my day truly magical. Even as the peacock eventually wandered off, the brief, heartfelt interaction left me with a reminder that sometimes it's the simplest, unscripted moments that bring the most joy. Join me as I share more unexpected adventures and memorable encounters, right here on Medley with Dr. Muneer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel magic and delightful surprises.